Welcome to the Protos podcast. Today is Friday, the 26th of March, and you're listening to our weekly roundup of the most important stories from the past 7 days, as reported by Protos. This week, we covered Tesla accepting Bitcoin payments, Satoshi accepting yet more donations from grateful fans, and Time Magazine's hunt for a crypto-savvy CFO. But first, we kicked off the week with the news that Coinbase has agreed to pay a hefty $6.5 million settlement. The exchange was found by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission to have undermined the integrity of digital asset pricing by artificially boosting trading volumes. Investigators say it did this through false, misleading, or inaccurate reporting and wash trading. Specifically, between January 2015 and September 2018, Coinbase inaccurately reported transactions on Coinbase Pro, known at the time as the GDAX platform. The company also operated 2 separate automated trading programs that could match orders, resulting in effectively fake trades between official Coinbase accounts. Despite the $1 million settlement, Coinbase has neither denied nor admitted any of the charges, with both the exchange and regulators agreeing that it was a reckless but not intentional act. They're not completely off the hook, though. There's the little matter of wash trading. A former Coinbase employee, named only as Employee A, has been accused of falsely inflating liquidity and trading interest in GDAX's Bitcoin and Litecoin trading pair. This allowed them to manipulate the prices on the exchange and, of course, make a profit. Although Employee A won't be charged, Coinbase will need to shoulder the blame on their behalf. Even though the publicity caused by the case is less than ideal, $6.5 million is a mere drop in the ocean. The settlement represents just 0.2% of the amount Chief Exec Brian Armstrong can expect to take home when the company goes public next month. Tuesday was a crypto job lot as both Time Magazine and trading app Robinhood posted ads looking for crypto-literate talent. Coincidentally, both companies are on the hunt for a new chief financial officer, but Robinhood also has another 7 openings for positions, including crypto operations specialist and senior software engineer. The investing app needs all the help it can get at the moment, as it recently filed paperwork for an upcoming IPO and is still facing a federal lawsuit over its handling of the GameStop controversy. Definitely drowning, not waving. Time, on the other hand, will be happy with just a Bitcoin-savvy CFO. The magazine says it's currently undergoing a period of rapid evolution and has recently started playing around with NFTs. As reported earlier this week, it's preparing to auction 3 pieces inspired by its famous God is Dead cover. Crypto Comfortable looks to be the flavour of the month where job ads are concerned. The New York Guggenheim Museum recently put the call out for an intern to help understand how its collection strategy will be impacted by blockchain and cryptocurrency, and tech firm Growth Tribe tapped into their inner beeple and posted their job ad as an actual NFT via Rarible. Tesla announced on Wednesday that it's now accepting Bitcoin as payments for its cars. And as usually happens when Elon Musk even thinks about uttering the word Bitcoin, the currency's price jumped by 5%. The move was originally teased in an SEC filing in February, but the self-titled Techno King made it official in a tweet. Tesla says it will be using Bitcoin with open source software and run its own Bitcoin nodes. This means that Tesla will be able to directly contribute to the blockchain network's validation process and help speed up payments. But the most interesting part about Musk's announcement is that all Bitcoin made from the sales will remain as Bitcoin instead of being converted into fiat currency. As it stands right now, the pricier Model X will set you back 1.52 BTC, or $79,990, and the more affordable Model Y would come to 0.79 BTC, or $37,990. Tesla already holds around 48,000 Bitcoin, worth somewhere in the region of $2.58 billion. So if it wanted to double this figure, then it would have to sell 70,000 of its cheapest model. Sounds a lot, but considering it shifted 400,000 of the same model last year, it's not that difficult to imagine. The option to buy a Tesla using Bitcoin is currently only available to customers in the US, but Musk says crypto payments are coming to non-US markets later this year. Bitcoin fans have donated nearly $1 million in Bitcoin to Satoshi's Genesis address since they disappeared in 2010. Satoshi used the address to receive Bitcoin's first ever block reward of 50 BTC. But today it holds 68.4 BTC worth $3.5 million, meaning Bitcoin users have donated a further 18.4 BTC or $950,000 over the past decade. The largest donations, valued at 1 BTC or more, were deposited within the first 4 years of the wallet's creation, which makes sense considering that at the time, 1 BTC was worth $100. Skip forward a few years and these donations would be worth more than $50,000 each. But that's not to say more recent donations have been pocket change. A whole Bitcoin was donated in July 2019, which, given its $10,800 value, was the largest donation by dollar. This year has been pretty quiet, however. So far, just $1,000 worth of BTC has been added to the pot. So why tip a wallet that will probably never be used? Well, it may be crypto enthusiasts just giving thanks to their main man, or it could be a ridiculously rich person who can't think of anything else to do. Either way, throwing $10,000 to somebody who, if they exist at all, is worth an estimated $33 billion is plain nuts. And that's your lot for today. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed this week's episode, but we realise that there's only so much we can cover in under 10 minutes. So if you'd like to get more of the stories that matter, then check out protos.com. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.